What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to draw Vegeta Super Saiyan. All the materials I'm using are given in the description box. I'm using a 3 cm square. You can use any size you want. So let's get into it. And yeah, stick till the end. We will start by drawing the eyebrows at the center of the box. After the eyebrow is done, we will draw his eyes. I'm using 3 lines, 1, 2 and 3, and then draw his eyeball. Repeat the same process for the next eye. Now we can draw his cheek marks, and then we'll draw his nose. I'm drawing the mouth really close to the nose. After the inner features of the face are done, we'll draw the shape of it. Now we'll draw his forehead. As we know, his forehead is really long. And now we'll draw his ears. Do some corrections if you need to. Now we're gonna draw his hairs. To draw his hairs, I used a few spike lines which were facing upwards. Now I'm gonna add some random lines to indicate the shade. Now we can draw his neck with the neck muscles and the chest. Don't forget his collar. I used this line as a guideline to indicate the center of his body, and from the top I started to draw his chest and his armor. Now we can create a rough sketch of the armor and his hands. Now we can easily draw his armor. After we're done with that, we can draw his shoulder muscles, his biceps and his triceps. Repeat the same for the right arm and we're If you guys check the description box, you'll see the exact color code I'm using of touch softened markers. For those who don't know, touch softened markers are alcohol based markers, which means they blend well. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this video even helped you a bit, hit that like button, and if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, and please share it with your friends.